children, in this video we are going to make a cute paper rainbow. Okay, rainbow with a paper. Now let's start the video. Okay, first of all we need to take two A4 size white papers. Okay children, after that we have to fold like this. Okay, and we need to draw cloud shape with a pencil like this. The pencil we need to draw like this. Okay children, and cut the clouds. Cut like this. Okay children, we need to cut like this. After that, take pencil or crayon. We need to draw two eyes like this. And also one mouth. Okay. We need to draw two eyes and one mouth like this and keep aside. After that, we need to take one more A4 sheet, white A4 sheet. We need to cut like this. We need to cut 7 long strips like this, and these 7 strips color with 7 rainbow colors. Okay, color with 7 rainbow colors, and take one cloud and take Fevicol. We need to paste 7 rainbow colors on this cloud. We need to paste like this. Paste like this one by one. Okay. You can paste it with glue or Fevicol, anything. And lastly, take one more cloud and paste like this. Need to draw outline with a black pencil, color pencil. Okay children. Completed. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay children. What you have to do now, you have to make this rainbow at your home with your parents and make a video and send it in our WhatsApp group. Okay children? Thank you. Bye bye.